It all began with a young designer named Lena and a legendary fashion icon, Lee Alexander McQueen. Lee's unique design and construction has inspired Lena to establish a brand, Lena Lee, with the first concept of black and white. Black was chosen to portray beauty, elegant, brave, and confident silhouette. White embodies the devotion of loyalty, the essence of a real woman, and softness, emulating tulip, her favorite flowers. In year 2010, a Facebook page for Lena Lee was created. Lena shared her design that she sketches outlining her vision for the brand. On 17 February 2014, her dreams became a reality. With 23,000 likes, 13,000 followers, and registered with SSM, words Lena Lee began to spread. Creative and unique, each design have its own personality, enhancing one's charm and a sense of dedication to fashion. The woman became the masterpiece of the design. Simplicity and modest. Design that is suitable for any occasion or special moment. Her work is now being publicly recognized, and even celebrities are wearing her design. Other online stores such as Zalora, Fashion Valley, Sekochi, and Lazada also took notice of Lena Lee, but Lena decided to stand on her own 2 feet and launch Lena Lee Store. Lena Lee Store received 500 visitors per day, and all of this achievement happened because of you. Thank you.